Let's look and see.
This one's got it.
And they're all covered up. That one's open too, isn't it? Is there going to be any way to open that back?
They're pristine though.
Yes, they are. Oh, not.
Nope, never mind. I'm not dealing with that. I'm finding a good one or none at all. You know?
Yeah.
That tear's killed it.
I still got the thing where it's not open.
No, but maybe this one will actually open. Let's put it on the there. Here at the junkyard in his natural state. Running some seat bolts out. One of our most patented piece of carpet knee care provider.
Yes.
Each piece he puts out makes it a little more comfortable. Ooh, don't shake it too much. Our drive shaft tailgate prop might not survive it. It's kind of precarious.
That's right.
But it's doing a good job. It's a pretty common thing because here's another one. It may be maybe it's a Yukon factory option.
It could be. One custom seat. Well, I think these seats are just as nice as those other ones.
And they're forward.
And they're forward.
Going back and forward.
And that's kind of been our...
It's been our whole thing.
Yep. That's why it's on a Ranger.
It's true.
Does it have... Yeah, it's got the sensor thing too.
Seatbelt, yeah. That other one had the occupancy sensor too.
Alright, I got the door if you can...
Close the door.
Okay. Perfect.
Oh, like a glove.
Alright, so we got those bits. We got more dash bits.
That's right.
Up here.
Replacement broken Ranger bits.
And a wonderful, hopefully, back seat.
For 2005
Rincon Continental.
Still forward counts.
That's right.
Alright, so following a successful junkyard trip yesterday, we got a couple of bucket seats out of a 04-ish F-150. The color doesn't match, but they're nice, and it's close enough. But of course they don't fit, because not only is this floor different than the truck, but we channeled this thing 6 inches, so there's that. But I really like these seats, and they have integrated seat belts, which is really nice for safety and just ease of use. And there's not enough metal on here on the speed pillar to put a shoulder harness, and I don't want it. These look a lot cleaner. They're all self-contained. So what we're doing now is we're going to take the seat frame off of the seat and modify it so we can get as close as possible to fitting this floor and get the seat down where we need it. I already got the passenger side done. I didn't film it because there's a lot of cussing and a lot of cogitating, trying to make it fit right. But I think it looks nice in there, and it's got full recline, and it still slides on the track back and forward, backwards and forwards, and it's about 3 inches lower than it's sitting right now. So start by taking out these 4 Torx bits for the seat frame. I've got them all broken loose, so hopefully this will take them the rest of the way. This side's got 3 Torx bits. 3 Torx bolts to hold it in. I don't know what this is all about. I gotta cut it off though. I had to on the other side. I will on this too. There we go. 1 seat mounting bracket. Now the fun part, trying to figure out where to put this seat. You have to be careful at this point because the seat bracket holds the 2 tracks at the same level so that they don't get out of alignment. So whatever you do, because it's just a real pain in the butt trying to put them back in the exact right position again. I learned this doing some other seat adjustments on some other cars. Whatever you do, don't pull the seat adjuster so that they stay where they were, so when you put the track back on after it's modified, everything lines up and you don't have to sit there and try to pull this, hold one, push the other one, and hope that they're both level again to the same exact tooth. It's a kind of a nightmare and just sets you back. So whatever you do, don't put, when you're moving the seat around, don't pick it up and pull it by the handle that adjusts the seat track. You're welcome. Just don't do it. Alright, I got some marks on the floor here about where I liked these, where I liked the position of the seat. Then you get the seat to where it's about where you want it, give or take. Basically so that it's perpendicular to the center of the car, parallel with the other part of the thing. You know, math stuff. Because if you get this wrong, the whole thing's going to be tilted forever. And that's not any fun. Nobody wants that. So, my ichrometer says that's pretty good. I need to cut here. I'll retain that if I can. Here, and then we'll cut. Man, I wish I could see. It's another rainy. It was sleeting this morning, and now it's just raining, but it's still cold. All right, hold on. I'm gonna have to back up and punt. I'm gonna have to remove this wiring because this is about the sit-down level, so I'll have to route the wiring over the seat.
It's cold.
It's cold in here. Now I'm gonna score this so that I can bend it, because I need to 90 degree this. Well, it got really dark out here.
I know. It did.
Yeah, that'll do.
Yeah, shine a little light over this. Oh, yeah.
The back mount matches perfect. I gotta take this wiring out, but then it'll sit flush.
Oh, yeah, you can just put it right over.
Yeah.
Oh, man, that's awesome.
It looks like I cleared everything I need to clear, I think.
Sometimes it just doesn't matter what the weather does. You just got to do what you got to do.
Well, I'm just trying to beat the water that's gonna come in here. Perfect.
You got it all the way back?
I think so, yeah.
Far enough, Dave. You can reach that. Those places in the front to bolt it down.
Yeah. Good for now. For testing purposes.
All right. Look at that.
Wow, that's really good. They're basically the same level. That's not bad.
That's not. Look at the room you got between the
Yeah, that's not
seat.
bad either. And now we witness the inaugural sit.
Look at this.
Hey, look at that. All the room, man.
Look at this.
Oh, man, that's nice.
Look at that. And look.
Oh,
Got
that's
room.
that's really nice. I believe that'll do. Oh, I believe we might have struck a winner on this one.
I believe we got a home run here, bud.
That's actually pretty perfect. Oh, move it up. Move it up. Oh man, these seats are fantastic. They're the same ones in my 2001 F-150, so they're already battle tested. Same style. They've already got lots of hours on them. Super comfortable.